What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video. So guys, in this video we're playing some Among Us. So this game has been very popular lately on Twitch, on YouTube. It has been doing very well. So I just wanted to try it out, share it with you guys so you guys would know why it is so popular. So in this video I'm just going to go over the game, how it works, explain a little bit the basics of the game so you guys will understand why it is so popular and why everyone likes it so much. So as you guys can see, I am playing it on my phone. So this game is available for Android phones, for iOS phones, but it's also available for PC right now. It's not available for PS4 and Xbox One, but maybe in the future it will. But on phones, so for iOS you can get it in the App Store, for Android you can get it in the Play Store, and for PC you can actually get it on Steam. Now the thing is, on Android and iOS it's actually free. On Steam it actually costs a couple of dollars, so that will be around $4 or $5, I think. On Steam, if you buy it on Steam, you also get a couple of extra skins, I think, that you won't get if you actually get it on your phone. But the basics of the game, the way it works, the way it looks, is all the same on Steam, on PC, and on your phone. So don't worry about it. You can just get it for free on your phone. So the way it works, we had 10 people in the pre-game lobby before, and now the game started. So it said you're the imposter. So it said imposter. Now, from the 10 people that we're playing with in this game, there will be one imposter. Depending on the settings, it could also be more, but normally people play with one imposter. Now, what does this mean? So out of the 10 people, there is one imposter and the rest are just crewmates. So right now, I'm the imposter. The thing that I have to do is I just basically have to kill everybody without them knowing that I am the killer. So as you guys can see over here, when I get close to someone, the option kill pops up on the screen. And now I just killed this guy. Now there was no one else in the room. This guy almost entered, but I was very lucky that he didn't, because if he entered, he would have known that I was the killer or the imposter. So the thing I have to do is I have to kill all people, all 9 people, before they actually complete all the tasks. So on the top left, you have a bar, a green bar. If that bar is filled up, that means that the other team or the crewmates actually completed all the tasks, and then I would lose. So I have to kill all of them before they complete the tasks. The tasks are just basic things that the crewmates have to do. So each person on the crewmate team has a couple of tasks. He has to complete it before I kill him or actually kill all the rest. Now the thing is, for example, over here I also use the ventilation system. I am the only one that actually can use the ventilation system. So the imposter is the only person that can actually use the ventilation system. So this is also a way for the crewmates to know that you're actually the imposter. Now over here, we actually had a dead body reported. So the body that I killed, or the person that I actually killed before, got found. So usually it actually gets found a little bit quicker. So now the thing is, someone called in a emergency meeting on the table where the game actually starts. So that's in the cafeteria. But the thing we have to do right now is actually discuss. So everyone that's still alive can now discuss who do you think is the imposter, and they actually have to vote. Now, the imposter himself, so me, I can actually vote as well, and I can also participate in this conversation. So the thing that I have to do right now is just try to cover myself. And as you guys can see, the votes were skipped, so no one had a ID that I was actually the imposter. So I did a good job. Now, the other way to win the game as the imposter is actually to sabotage the game. You can sabotage it by turning off the oxygen in one room, and then they have to turn it back on right in time, or else you will win. Or you can let the reactor go off, and then they have to turn it off right in time, or else you win as well. So just sabotaging it. Over here, I sabotaged by just closing the doors of the cafeteria. But the thing was, I actually closed the door right in front of the door, and then I started moving again right back after I closed it. And so it was kind of obvious that I did it. So I tried to talk my way out of it, but the guy next to me actually saw it. He told the other guys, so they all voted for me. So over here, I kind of lost. So for the imposter, you basically have to kill everyone. So kill all other 9 people, or depending on how much you have in your lobby, or you have to sabotage it, or you just have to, cover yourself until you're actually with 2 people left. If you're with 2 people left, then you automatically win the game as the imposter. So you either have to murder, you either have to sabotage, or you either have to cover yourself very good. So you don't necessarily have to kill everyone. You can also just vote everyone else out. Of course, that's also a way to get someone out of the game. So I started another game. I was the crewmate over here. So as the crewmate, as I said, you have to do some tasks. These yellow exclamation marks on the map are my tasks. So everyone in the crewmate team has different tasks. If we complete them all, we win. If we find the imposter, we also win. And that's pretty much the only two ways that you can win as the crewmates. So with the crewmates, the tasks are very simple. So over here, take out the trash, very simple. And as you can see, when I do one task, the bar goes up a little bit. So over here, I actually got killed. So this means I am now a ghost. So as a ghost, I can still do my tasks, but of course I cannot talk with the other people. I cannot vote. My body got found. The guy who killed me actually was very good at covering, and he later on won the game as well. But when you're a ghost, you can still do your tasks. You can still contribute to the game. So that's actually very nice. So when you die, you actually are not useless, but you cannot talk with the others, so you have to trust your other teammates that they will actually find the killer. So I was still doing my tasks as the ghost. For example, over here, the guy actually sabotaged and he turned off the oxygen. That's something that you cannot do as a ghost though. So guys, that was pretty much the game. So the guy won. He was actually pretty good at covering himself. So basically, as the imposter, you just have to kill or sabotage, or actually just cover yourself. As the crewmates, you have to find the imposter or do all the tasks without the imposter killing everyone. So guys, that was pretty much Among Us. I think this is a pretty fun game, especially because it's free on your phone. You can play it everywhere. If you guys want to see more of this, make sure to like and subscribe. That was it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and peace out.
It distracts the flower. Forget the beat and do not to see.